To Ayanna with love. Little girl, Daddy loves you, though sometimes he's far. He's fighting to protect the red, white, blue, and the stars. When our nation's in turmoil, he's vowed to go fight, to protect what is good, what is just, and what's right. He does it for you and he does it for me, so we may continue to live in a land that is free. When things get scary, he's one of the brave who steps up and fixes the mess that was made. When bad people do things that aren't very nice, he tells them to stop it or they'll pay a big price. Then when things get all better, when the bad people are good, Daddy will come home just like he said he would. I know your daddy misses you as much as you miss him, and he dreams of the day he'll see you again. But until that day comes, we all have to pray that God will protect Daddy while he fights for our USA.